This statue was imported directly from ZBrush and is more than 33 million triangles. No baking of normal maps, no authored LODs.
Hello epic fellow gamers, today I'm bringing a tutorial how to achieve 4K 60 or even 144 FPS inside Unreal Engine 5. Like here we have our source material, which is 10 million polygons, which is that's a lot of them. So let's import it inside Houdini. Inside Houdini, let's put down the ZBrush node, import. Let's export, my bad. After we have imported, let's put down a poly reduce. Before that, make sure you are at the manual updating. And let's say we want maybe 3.5%. Everything's at default, and let's update it. Now that we have poly reduced it, let's take a look around. Very happy with the result. So I think this is going to bake out very nicely. So let's freeze this node. Let's put down normal. Let's smooth out all the polygons. And let's put back through the auto updating. Now we have smooth out, but we do not have any of this detail. So now let's poly unwrap it. I'm using the Rhythm UV. It's a very nice UV unwrapper. So not the auto cook. What I like is stretch control 0.25 and everything else at default. So let's cook it. Now that we have UVs, let's create normal map. Put down the baker. Let's low and low and high and high. And now all you have to do, check out that we have still on high. Yes. Let's put it on 4K. For now it's just normal map. And now let's bake it out. Once you have done baking, it took around 40 seconds for 4K map. What you can do is put down a quick material, and now you can just take a look at the results. So this is our low and high. This is only 3.5% of the actual polygons of this mesh. So this is my tutorial how to get 60 FPS and 4K inside Unreal Engine 5. Take care and subscribe for more serious tutorials.